A new blonde hot bombshell has entered the villa.
You have one unheard message.
Mr. Brent Fayez, I know you see my DMs. I've been DMing you for over 3 months now. I'm gonna need you to respond because I know you see them. So, you need to
Message deleted.
A new blonde bombshell has entered the villa. And I'm here to show you guys why that bombshell should be you this summer at every party that you walk into. Let me tell you guys something. This blonde hair has been giving me an ego that I didn't even know I had. I'm not even gonna waste time showing you guys how to properly apply the wig because you know how to apply a wig by now. And Yolissa Hair makes it so easy with this gorgeous wig that is pretty much already pre-plucked, and look at it. In nature, it is just gorgeous as a wig itself. It's just gorgeous by itself. And so I'm really excited just to be applying it straight from the bag, like literally straight from the bag here. The details on this hair will be in the description box down below, but I think I love the ash blonde aspect of it and how it doesn't wash out my skin, but it actually, you know, complements it more. And I feel like my skin looks more of like a peanut butter color with this, or that's what it was described as, rather. A peanut butter color with this hair. This hair is so cute. Look, I gotta get it from all angles. Literally, I'm taping it from all angles because I want to see how to be able to do this hair on my own at home. And hopefully this video right here helps you to be able to do your own blonde hair at home. So first things first, whenever I'm wearing blonde hair, I always have to see the vision as it's coming out. So I make sure that my makeup is already on before I'm heading to my appointments. Now, we just decided to go ahead and do a free part because we didn't think that a side part might be too harsh with this blonde hair. And a middle part, I was just not feeling for this kind of hair. I wanted something that looked bombshell-like, kind of like, you know, gives Cowboy Carter kind of feels. And that is exactly what I got with this hair from Yolissa Hair. And look at how beautiful she just layers this hair, guys. Like, she layers it so easily, but especially like after it's styled and curled, the layers really pop even more with it. So if you're gonna be wearing blonde hair and you want it to not look as flat, like I know some people wear it straight, I like my colored hair to have waves or curls in it because the curls really add to the texture of the color of the hair. That color of the hair gets a lot more texture whenever you're doing it in a style. It pops out a lot more. There's contrast in the waves and the highlighted pieces. It just looks right. So layer that hair if you know how, and if you don't try to butcher this wig because of you want to layer in the name of layering. Another thing I love about this wig is that it actually did already come styled. So if you want to just wear it straight from the box, you can do exactly that. This might be one of my favorite wigs, if you can see by how much I'm actually talking about it and giving it its praise. This might be one of my favorites.
Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed.
So when we are curling the hair, I know I have shown you guys different Texas bombshell curl tutorials before, but I feel like Skylar, my hairstylist, does them the best. Curling away from the head, but like if you're curling outwards, curling away and out is the best way to get a bombshell curl. I want you guys to notice the way she's doing it. It looks very messy. Look, I'm even adjusting the camera for you guys so you can see it. It looks very messy. It looks very like not exact. That's how you're gonna get the best bombshell curls. You don't want it to be perfect, but because it doesn't look perfect intentionally, it looks perfect whenever it is completed. It all just goes. And if you ask me, she's really giving Beyonce. Say my name, say my name.
Maybe I'm just fucked up. Love, drug, love, drug, weed. Maybe I'm just fucked up. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know.
And this is a glueless wig, so we just attached the band after lightly putting some adhesive on just the lace part. But you can see whenever the band comes off, it's about to come off very soon. This is giving very big Texas hair, and the blow dryer literally brings that last effect with the round brush. So as she's completing this, go ahead and make sure that you guys are checking out this wig. I know you've already bought it by now. By the end of this video, you've already bought this wig. If you see me on Instagram, if you see me on TikTok, you've already bought this wig. This wig is gorgeous, and oh my gosh, I just love it so much. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to Yolissa Hair. Make sure that you guys are checking out the hair details in the description box down below. And I am posting a lot in this hair, so make sure you're checking me out on Instagram as well for this gorgeous hair and this tutorial. Many versions are on the internet and everything. So I love you guys so much, and I'm going to be wearing this hair to do such great things. So definitely be on the lookout. And I love you guys so much. Stay blessed and beautiful. And this summer, stay blonde. Bye, guys.
Hope you know what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
need some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell.